Hi and welcome back to our channel. This video is a tutorial about Gateio for beginners. In this video, we will show you how to open a Gateio account, how to research on the crypto market, and how to buy and sell crypto. So watch the video till the end to better understand the platform. Let's start with a small introduction to Gateio. Established in 2013, Gateio is one of the oldest crypto-to-crypto exchange from China. After being rebranded to Gateio in 2017, it became one of the fastest growing crypto platforms for safe trading and hassle-free cryptocurrency trading. Apart from having a leading initial exchange offering or IEO platform, some of its striking features are that it has numerous cryptocurrencies, margin trading with leverage, and advanced financial services like margin lending and borrowing. This platform is known for providing the most comprehensive and safest trading experience for users from all around the world. From elementary traders to professional and institutional traders, Gate.io offers products and services for all kinds of traders. There are just 4 easy steps to begin your journey with Gate.io. First is to create a Gate.io account. You will get $100 points and a 5,500 trial fund. Next is to make a deposit, which means you need to fund your account to start your journey, and for this, several payment methods are supported on this platform. The third step is to complete the KYC process and get a compliant account. And lastly, start trading, which is to sell, buy, or copy trade crypto and explore more. Next, let's look at how to open an account on Gate.io. If you already have an account, click on the login button on the top right corner. Or else you'll have to create an account, and to do so, click on the sign up button on the top right corner. On the sign up page, you will see 2 tabs, which are email and phone number. On the email tab, enter your email address, create a password, and if you have a referral code, enter it here. Tick on the user agreement box and finally click on the sign up button. If you want to continue with your phone number, click on the phone number tab, select your country code from this drop down and enter your phone number here. Create a password here, enter the referral code, and then tick on the user agreement box and finally click on the sign up button. If you don't want to use your email or your phone number, you can also use your Google account to sign up. For this, click on the Google button. Again, if you already have an account, click on the login button here. After successfully creating or logging into your account, you will be redirected to the welcome page. If you transfer cryptocurrency to your account, you will be rewarded with a $30 bonus for this first deposit. To avail this, click on the Deposit Now button. You can also buy cryptocurrency with credit card. For this, click on the Buy Now button. You can also trade cryptocurrency with your debit card or other payment methods, and you will get a bonus of $20 for the first transaction. For this, click on the Trade Now button. Now to buy cryptocurrency from Gate.io, hover your mouse on the Buy Crypto button on the top right corner. You will see 3 options, which are Credit Debit Card, Bank Transfer, and P2P Transfer. Click on any option according to your preference. You can also change your currency using this button. Now hover your mouse on the Markets button and click on Market Price. You will be taken to the market page of Gate.io. On this page, you will see tabs like Spot, Futures, Loan, Newly Listed, Top Gainers, and lastly, the leaderboard. Use this search bar to find your crypto. Scroll down and you will see there are so many cryptocurrencies that you can buy or sell on Gate.io. On the live market data, first you will see the market column in which you can find cryptocurrency pairs like GTUSDT, ETHUSDT, and many more. The price column shows the current price. If it is red, it means the price is going down. Similarly, if it is green, it means the price is going up. The 24-hour change column shows the price change in the last 24 hours during trading. The data is shown in percentage, and again, if it is red, it means the price has gone down, and if it is green, it means the price has increased. The high column shows the highest trading price in the last 24 hours. Similarly, the low column shows the lowest trading price in the last 24 hours. The volume column shows the total traded volume. The market cap column shows the total market capital of the crypto. The higher the price of the crypto, the higher will be its market capital. From the action column, if you will click on the trade button, you will be taken to the trading platform page from where you can buy or sell. And lastly, the custom column with the star symbol. Click on the star to add it to your custom listing. After clicking on the trade button of any cryptocurrency, you will be taken to the trading platform. The trading platform shows the live price and changes, so be careful before trading. Here you will see the cryptocurrency paired with the second currency. This is the live price of the cryptocurrency. Next to this, you can find its percentage change, high, low, and the 24-hour volume data. Here in the left column, you will see the different cryptocurrencies with the live price and the 24-hour percentage change. In the right sidebar, you will see the order book, which shows the orders placed by other buyers or sellers with its price, quantity, and the sum. The upper section of this column will show the sell order history, which is red in color, and the lower section will show the buy order history, which will be green in color. In the center of the page, you will see the trading graph according to time and price. Hover your mouse on the graph to see the trading price according to date and time. The red lines on the graph show that the price had gone down at that time, and the green lines show the increase in the price at that time. From here, you can change the graph according to the time. Now, let's see how you can buy this cryptocurrency. Below the graph, there are many tabs. Make sure you are on the spot trading tab. Here you will see your balance and also the deposit and withdraw buttons. In the price box, the default price will be the last trading price. You can change it and enter your own price. There is a drop down next to the price box, which has options like last price plus 1%, last price plus 3%, and last price plus 5%. Let's click on last price plus 1%. Now, in the amount box, enter the number that you want to buy. And finally, click on the buy button. Your order will be placed in the market server. As we had selected last price plus 1%, it means that the order will be executed only when the crypto trading price will be within the limit of 1% from its last trading price, whether it is in the range of 1% low or high. Here is the sell section that you can use to sell your cryptocurrency. Enter your price in the price box and then enter the amount of crypto that you want to sell, and finally click on the sell button. Your order will be added in the market server and it will be executed whenever it reaches your entered price. And that completes our tutorial on how you can create a Gateio account and how to buy and sell any cryptocurrency on the platform. This brings this video to an end. We truly hope it helped you. Let us know your thoughts and topic suggestions in the comments below. And for more such videos, make sure to stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.